Hello everyone. Previously, we successfully created the deployment and service. In this service, there is a load balancer that we can access from the internet. And for the user service, we copy the load balancer URL, this one. And then after running kubectl get services, there is the call load balancer. We copy its URL and open it. I am using Postman. You can use tools like Postman or Insomnia or anything that can be used for testing APIs. Here we'll create a user. How to create a user? We'll look at the code itself. So this user API service is the one accessed by internet users. The accessible endpoints are just these two, login and also sign up. Because the auth API is internal, the user's microservice will connect internally to auth API for authentication. We can see it from the code. For example, if you want to sign up, it uses the create user method, and this method is in the user action file. Let's look here. Here we'll create a user using email and password parameters. Okay, let's try to check it. Open Postman. Paste the load balancer URL. The method is, let's check again. The method should be post for sign up. And then we will add parameters, which are, let's see, email and password. Let us put email for the first parameter, and then also the password. Let's try sending it. There is an error because we haven't completed the URL. Okay, sign up, and then let's send it again. There is an error, invalid email or password. Oh, it is because the password can't be all numbers. Let's change the password. Send again. All right, the user was successfully created. To check, let's open MongoDB and browse the collections. Here I am using the database name. Let's see, which is this one, address. Check in address, users. Oh, so you see it's been added. Let's try creating another user and change the password. Send. User created. Let's check MongoDB again. Refresh. Okay, the new user has been added successfully. Now we will try another endpoint, which is login. Let's return to Postman. Here we create new tab, use post method, and change the URL using login, and adding body parameter, JSON parameter, which are email and also password. Let's try with a wrong password. Send. Does the validation work? Alright, we get a request failed 401, meaning the validation is running. Then, if we use the correct password, send, it will log in successfully. The user service will connect to auth and return this GWT token. That's it for this video. Thank you. Hope it is useful.